Hello friends, this is Dr. Varun Grover. I am the consultant orthodontist for 32 watts clear aligners marketed by Align by Smile Technologies. This is our another educational video. In the previous video, we have shown you how to transfer the attachments for a clear aligner case using copyplast material. In the today's video, I am going to demonstrate how to make a good PVS impression for a clear aligner case. The armamentarium required for the PVS impression are